Okay guys, basahin natin to ha. Lesson yan para sa atin. At nakaka-relate to sa choir. Ito si Reds Abando. Napaka-talented, high-skilled player. Mataas ang IQ at batang-bata pa. Pero binangko ng gilas at hindi ginamit. Sinayang ang potensyal. Fast forward, kinuha siyang import sa Korean Basketball League. Ginamit na maayos at nagpakitang gilas. Very reliable Asian import. Nanalo sa slam dunk competition at nag-champion sa EASL. Tinalo at tinambakan pa ang SMB or ang PBA team. So my gosh. Minsan sa buhay, hindi ikaw ang problema. Nasa maling lugar ka lang. Labas ka sa comfort zone mo. Pumunta ka kung saan ka appreciated. So, anong lesson dito, guys? Alam ko marami sa atin ang aiming to be part of a very prestigious choir. Hindi lang MADS. Pero alam mo, minsan hindi yun ang gusto ni Lord para sa'yo. One example is a friend of mine na ipinasok ko as trainee. Magaling siya. Napakagaling na bass. Pero na-feel niyang hindi para sa kanya yun. So, he declined even going forward. Pero that was the best decision ever because after that, he was able to meet the love of his life, obviously outside the choir, and he was able to be in a choir na kung saan fit na fit sa kanyang schedule. Nakapag-compete pa siya with them. So what I mean is, like you, if you are in a choir right now na, syempre, nagsastart lang tayo, minsan parang hindi tayo appreciated, pero they just need to know if you're gonna work hard. Pero kung matagal ka na dyan, at parang hindi ka naman appreciated, abay mag-isip-isip ka na. Baka hindi ka para dyan. Tulad nitong i-feature ko noong una na hindi siya na-appreciate sa gilas. So, pumunta siya, naging import siya ng Korean basketball team. At ayun, doon siya nag-bloom. So, yun, something to think about. Huwag matakot na umalis ng grupo kung alam mong hindi ka naman nag-grow doon. Okay?